Hello guys, welcome back to another Spanner Lab series, that is Cloud Spanner loading data and performing backups. So now first of all click on Start Lab, and in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it and like the video. Now you have to click on Launch with Credits. In case it doesn't show Launch with Credits, it will automatically just start the lab. So open Cloud Console in incognito window. Now, in my case, it's signing in automatically. Sometimes it asks for username and password. So for that, you can check the lab instruction from where you started the lab. Now click on I understand. Click on I agree, then agree and continue. Now we will move forward to the task. Basically, in task 1, we have to explore the spanner, and in task 2, we have insert the data. So first of all, let's see, we have to insert data with DML. So let's start the Cloud Shell session. Now click on authorize. The task 2 command and enter here. Now basically it will insert the DML. So wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, finally one row has been modified. So now let's move to the lab instruction and we'll initiate other tasks. So for that, let's see. So here we have to insert data using the library client. So first of all, we need to create the file. So for that, enter it. The code block contents. So copy it and then we will save it. So for saving the file, wait, Control X and then Y and then hit enter. So as you can see, for saving it's the step. Now we have to run the insert command, so it will insert the rows. Then we will hit check my progress for that task. So for that, wait for some time. As you can see, it has been inserted successfully. Now we will have to click on check my progress for the task. So as you can see, we got the full score without any issue. So now we will move forward to another task, that is insert batch data through client library. So for that, just scroll down to the file name and the file has been created. Now enter the code blocks. As you can see, the instance ID and the instance name is there. Apart from this, the values of the contents. So now Control X, then Y, then hit enter. So finally we are done with this. Now we have to insert the batch file. So for that, run the command python batch underscore insert.py. So finally the row has been inserted. Now here, let's hit check my progress for this task also. We'll get the score without any issue. So finally we have to move forward to the main task, that is Dataflow job. So this task is little bit lengthy, so please follow the way I am doing. So this command will basically create a bucket with an empty file on the cloud storage bucket. So basically we are creating a bucket here with an empty file in it. So now click on enter. In case you face any error, do comment down below in any video. Apart from these, in case I missed to add the repo videos, do let me know. Finally the bucket has been created. For this lab we are doing all tasks manually because lot of you guys were asking for in-depth tutorial. So here it is. So finally now we will disable the Dataflow API and then re-enable it. So for that you need to run it. That is, once finally the Dataflow API has been disabled, now wait for some time till it gets enabled. Then we will create a job from template and basically a spanner job it will be. So finally it has been done. Now just minimize it or close it. Now from here type Dataflow, and as you can see there are 3. So just click on the jobs. Make sure you have clicked on Dataflow jobs only. Now you have to remove the unwanted pop-up from here. Click on cross mark. Now click on create job from template Now from here make sure to check the name and there is no any extra space in it. Apart from these, the regional endpoint should be from lab instructions. So now for the template type, here is the template type, that is text file on cloud storage on cloud spanner. So you have to select this. Make sure there is no any extra space within it. So finally, as you can see, here only one result is here. So just select it. Now wait for the data to get loaded. So finally the data has been loaded. Now here to insert the instance ID and dataset ID. So first of all, select the instance ID, that is the instance name here, and here we will insert the database. So first of all, insert the database. Apart from this, here is the location of manifest file. So just carefully select all and copy here. Wait until you get green tick here. Now for temporary location, just scroll down a bit and enter here. Now here we have to configure the data flow machine type. So for that, as you can see, finally all has seen green. Now here we have to change the machine type. So for changing the machine type, we have to change the default configuration. So as you can see here, default, you have to uncheck it. Now from here, select the machine type E2. As you can see, there are multiple types of machine available here, but for this task we have to select E2. And for machine type E2 medium, 2 CPU and 1 core memory. So you can see both are same. So as you can see, finally both are same. So now we are done with this part. Now we have to just run the job. So scroll down a bit and click on run job. Now this job will take at least 4 to 10 minutes depending on the job. Sometimes it fails due to region. So you can select any other region. For example, if it shows US East 4, you can select US East 1. So now we have to wait for the job to complete, and once it's done, we'll hit check my progress for all data. Make sure to wait for 4 to 5 minutes, and once the job shows succeeded, you will hit check my progress for all data. So let's see whether it works or not. Apart from this, if you are still here, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. So finally the spanner job has been created and it succeeded. So after 5 minutes 45 seconds. So in case it asks for longer time, wait for it, and as you can see, we are getting, wait for a minute, full score without any issue, and we are done with the lab, guys. Thank you guys. Do like, share and subscribe, and do comment down which lab you need. Thank you.